What I want to talk to you about today is the importance of manure, chicken manure. Today is February 2nd, 3rd, something like that. But look at this. This grass, for some reason, has went through 2 snows. I think we snowed sometime in December, I believe it was December the 8th. Then around January the 12th or so, or January, something around there, we snowed again. Down here in Louisiana. And all of our grass, unless you planting the winter rye and things like that, all of our grass usually looks like this. Barely holds on, barely making it. But look at this stuff. I'm gonna take you in for a closer shot. Look at this. This is the product of where we started raising our chickens when we first brought them outside as young chicks, or pullets you might call them. We had them here to keep them close to the house because we didn't want to put them out there where, and we didn't know if we had the right system to keep them safe as far as being in that dog cage that we made into a chicken cage. So we wanted to at least keep them closed. That way if something got in, the dogs would bark or something like that, and we can come outside and whatever there, try to chase them off. But we still end up losing 2 chicks to snakes before we put that door, that roll down door on our chicken cage. But here, I would say we left them here for a few months, and you can see how we moved them from, they were here, then they were here, and as it started to rain, so sometimes it got a little too wet in one spot, and we would just move them over and move them over. And I'll let you get a better look at this before we finish this video. And this is not going to be a long video. But you can see exactly where the fence was. Right here, nothing. Look where the fence was. And we have all these sticks in the way because we're doing that video of clearing off our fence line. This is going to be a good video. We're going to try to make a trellis. So look out for that video as well. It's some sawbriar that we have in that fence line, so it's taking a long time to try to eradicate them. I just wanted y'all to see what happens when you put chickens on your yard. Or chicken tractors, what we're using, that method where we can actually move them around. But that method of letting them concentrate that manure in one section, they said this would burn the grass. They said this would burn the ground. But what I'm looking at is nitrogen rich soil, because nothing can grow out of that. Now being that it's winter time, I would like to see the results from when the spring comes and when the summer comes back around, to see if that stays as green as that is. Or to see will the sun start to burn it then. But as far as right now, the nitrogen isn't burning it at all, and you can take a look at it for yourself. This is winter grass. This is winter time. What do you want, Fluffy? Huh? Thank y'all for watching Louisiana Gardening Family, and I'll let Fluffy take it away.